Hey everyone! Today I'm showing you the exact settings and hacks to make ElevenLabs Sing using only text-to-speech. Let's get musical. Step 1. Select the 11v3 model. Go to the Speech Synthesis tab and look at the Model drop-down menu. Make sure you select 11v3. This model is the first to support audio tags and high emotional range, which are essential for singing. Older models like V2 will just sound like a robot reading lyrics. Step 2. Format your lyrics for melody. This is where the magic happens. To tell the AI to sing, you need to use specific formatting in the text box. The Sings tag. Start your prompt with the bracketed tag Sings or melodic. This signals the V3 model to shift into a rhythmic delivery. Hyphens and ellipses. Break words into syllables using hyphens like amazing to stretch the notes. Use ellipses to create pauses for breath or held notes. Capitalization. All caps for words you want the AI to belt or emphasize with more volume. Step 3. Dial in the creative settings. In the Voice Settings menu, you need to give the AI more freedom to be expressive. Switch the mode from natural to creative. Lower the stability to around 30%. This allows the AI to vary its pitch more wildly, which is exactly what singing is. Increase the style exaggeration to 60% or higher to bring out the emotion in the vocal. It might take a couple of generate clicks to get the perfect take, but once you do, the results are studio quality. I hope this helped you out, and I see you in the next one.